Hi, I'm Vanelli, and I would like to show you how to use the matte look filter to change the emotion of an image by giving it an aged look with flat color and high contrast. The matte filter is part of the creative filter set. Now, I like to start at 100% to see the full strength of the effect, then adjust it as needed. Adjusting fade will control the loss of details that happens in the darker areas of the image. Now, notice how the blacks look duller. This is known as crunching the blacks. Now, let's add a little more contrast to the image to separate the darker and brighter parts of the image. Now, mute the color slightly with a negative vividness value. Now, the toning section will help us shift the colors. Let's adjust the color range. They'll be affected, and then the hue or the color it'll take on. And last, let's control how strong the toning effect is by adjusting the saturation. This is looking good. Now let's tweak the amount. And that looks great. So here's the original image we started with. And now the image after applying the matte look filter. If you'd like to learn more about this filter or other filters, check out the user guide, which you can find under the help menu.